Hello everyone. You're welcome back to the Tech Guy. And please, if you haven't subscribed to the button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah. So today we'll be talking about the best vendor to sell your Bitcoin in Ghana. Then you receive your payment via mobile money. Yeah. So the best vendor to sell your Bitcoin in Ghana, and we'll be comparing two vendors. That's the Ecurrency4u and the Payplux. Ecurrency4u and the Payplux. Ecurrency4u and the Payplux. Yeah. So first of all, let's go to the Ecurrency4u. You realize that Ecurrency4u, when it comes to their best coin, let me go to the buy and sell. Okay, let me go to the buy and sell, and let's see the rate of Ecurrency and the rate of Payplux. Okay. It seems I'm having a slow internet connection. Okay. So for the Payplux, you realize the rate, their selling rate is 5.50 Ghana cedis. Yeah, 5.50 dollars per dollar. And for the Ecurrency4u, let's see their selling rate. Let's see their selling rate Ecurrency. Okay, let me check in here. Oh, sorry, yeah, their selling rate is so for the Ecurrency4u, their selling rate is 5.60. For the Ecurrency, their selling rate is Ecurrency4u, their selling rate is 5.60. 5.60. That's their selling rate. Their selling rate is 5.60. 5.60. That's the selling rate of Ecurrency4u, and the selling rate of Payplux is 5.50. So anyhow, I'll be saying Ecurrency is the best when it comes to selling. As for the buying, I'm sure they all have the same currency rate. Okay, so let's just type in the amount in here. So let's say $60. So when you try to sell a Bitcoin that worth $60, we'll be receiving 330 Ghana cedis. Okay, so that's for the Payplux. Let's go to the Ecurrency4u. So you realize we'll be receiving 336, and in here we'll be receiving 330. Yeah, 60 is cap. 60 is cap. So for selling of Bitcoin, I will recommend Ecurrency for everyone, since they have the best rate. Yeah, they have the best rate, and they have a variety of. In here they have mobile money, Airtel money, Vodafone cash, fiscal cash. I don't know how these people will be doing the fiscal cash. Maybe they'll be coming to your address or whatever, and the bank deposit. And in here, I think Payplux also have mobile money option here. All the mobile money option are also available in there. So when it comes to the selling of Bitcoin, then Ecurrency is the best, since they have a rate of 5.60 and Payplux has a rate of 5.5. Yeah, so that's it, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.